guys, and welcome to another fun episode of Shopping on a Budget with your host, Miss Nyawi. You guys, I don't know about you, but I love makeup. I love skincare. I just love the glam effect that makeup makes me feel, So today we're at Lintons Beauty World. As you can see, makeup lovers, skincare lovers, this is like a heaven for you guys. Trust me, I'm in heaven, literally. So today I'm going to show you guys how to build your makeup items from scratch, and on a budget. Hey ladies, so now I'm going to show you how you can build your makeup by shopping on a budget. The first thing you need to do is get a mascara that offers volume and length. Okay, you need a mascara that does both. This mascara should give you everything. It should be your life, because you don't need to buy a lot of stuff for mascara. Just that one and you're good to go.
If you want to pull them to lengthen them, okay, so just do it from up going down way, and then you can just start from now putting them in the same line.
The other tip that I can give you guys is use a concealer to highlight your face. Highlighters can be a bit expensive, so when you get a concealer, right, for your shade, can be lighter, of course. It has to be lighter. What am I saying? It has to be lighter. You use it as a highlighter. Okay, this is to make your under eyes pop. Okay, here around the nose, the T-zone, as you were told earlier. Okay, so that breaks it down. You don't need to buy two things. You just buy one concealer that can do everything for you. The third tip that I can dish out, it's my secret, but well, I need to share it, is you can use your lipstick as blush and eyeshadow. Imagine, it got 3 things that this thing can do.
See what I'm using? I'm using my lipstick.
Yeah, so guys, don't just have some crazy blue lipstick in your bag and then you expect to use it as blush, by the way.
Yeah.
Your lips, your cheeks, and your eyes, come on. So get a good lipstick. So for example, if it's red, right, put it on your lips. Wow, you have an amazing lip color. You need a bit of blush and you're a bit dark skin and you just need to look flushed. Dab it here, blend, you're good to go. You need eyeshadow. Well, okay, red eyeshadow, that can be a bit awkward, but you can dab it a bit, or if it's a glossy lipstick, and you're good to go. You don't need to break the bank and buy you have to buy blush, or you have to buy an eyeshadow kit. And you know that sometimes they're expensive. Just this one thing can do all these things for you. You need a powder that can act as your foundation, or a foundation that has concealer in it. Either way, it should be one thing that can serve 2 purposes.
So with this powder, what you can do, it's a 2-in-1. You can use it as a powder, and also you can use it as a foundation if you add a little bit of water in it.
So do you add water in the whole box, or what? Or
you can add water on your brush,
okay,
and then you just put a little bit and then you apply it.
So guys, when you're testing for foundation, you don't test it on your hand. That's a big myth, right?
Yeah. Because you find that your shade on your hand is not the same shade as your face.
So when you go to these ladies who tell you to test here,
It's
wrong. Yeah, it doesn't work. You'll end up looking like a ghost. I don't even feel like I need to buy foundation again, as long as I have this powder here. Okay, so with these tips and tricks, I hope you guys are going to build your makeup items and makeup bags on a budget. Don't break the bank trying to get such stuff. So there you have it, guys. This was shopping on a budget, and I was giving you tips on how to build your makeup collection on a budget from Lintons Beauty World. Okay, now the thing is, you guys, the first people to watch this video and subscribe and comment, right? You guys, you got a voucher. Okay, you can come and purchase your makeup items. This is your beginning. Let me know if this video was entertaining, if it was cool, and other tips and tricks you want to know about shopping on a budget, right? Give me your ideas, share your ideas. Yeah, if you want to know about plus size clothing, drop it in there. If you want to know about hair products, drop it in there. If you want to know about shoes from Toy or wherever, drop it in there. Thanks guys for watching. This is Miss Nyawi.